McDonald's serves millions of Egg McMuffins every day, making it one of the most popular breakfast sandwiches. But have you ever wondered how they're made? From the farm to the drive-thru, each step is designed to give you that perfect warm bite. Let's take a closer look at how McDonald's Egg McMuffins are made and why they're so popular. Before the Egg McMuffin became a favorite, McDonald's didn't serve breakfast at all. In 1971, Herb Peterson, a franchise owner in California, had an idea. He wanted to make a fast food version of Eggs Benedict, a dish usually enjoyed at sit-down meals. It wasn't easy, but Peterson was determined. He spent hours in his kitchen working on the recipe. His goal was to keep the flavors of the classic dish, while making it simple and easy for busy people to eat on the go. The result was the Egg McMuffin, a sandwich made with a toasted English muffin, a round egg, Canadian bacon, and melted cheese. It was tasty, easy to eat, and unlike anything in fast food at the time. Peterson tried it out at his restaurant, and it quickly became a hit with customers. Seeing how popular Peterson's invention was, McDonald's executives decided to offer breakfast at all locations. By 1975, the Egg McMuffin was added to the menu nationwide, becoming the star of McDonald's new breakfast options. This was a big moment for fast food because before then, breakfast wasn't a focus for most chains. Peterson's idea showed that fast food breakfast could succeed and changed how Americans thought about starting their day. The Egg McMuffin's success led to a whole range of breakfast items like pancakes, hash browns, breakfast burritos, and more. It became so popular that McDonald's breakfast sales skyrocketed, making the company a leader in fast food. Even after decades, the Egg McMuffin is still a favorite, loved for its simple and tasty recipe. McDonald's has sold billions of Egg McMuffins, making it a big part of breakfast history. What began as one man's idea became a huge hit, changing not just McDonald's, but how people see breakfast on the go. Now, let's explore what makes this sandwich so special. The Egg McMuffin is made with a few simple ingredients: eggs, Canadian bacon, cheese, and English muffins. Let's start with the eggs. McDonald's uses fresh-grade A eggs from farms that follow high-quality standards. These eggs are delivered often to keep them fresh. The Canadian bacon adds a smoky, savory taste to the sandwich and comes from high-quality pork. It's cured, sliced, and pre-cooked in processing plants to make it ready for use in busy restaurants. This process helps keep the flavor the same and cuts down on cooking time. The cheese in the Egg McMuffin is a slice of American cheese that melts perfectly on the sandwich. It's delivered to McDonald's in individually wrapped slices to keep it fresh and make preparation fast. The English muffin comes from bakeries that make soft, sturdy bread perfect for holding the sandwich together. All these ingredients are carefully stored to keep them fresh. From the egg farms to the bakery, each supplier follows McDonald's strict standards to make sure every Egg McMuffin meets customer expectations. One of the key features of the Egg McMuffin is its perfectly round egg. To get this shape, McDonald's cracks eggs into metal rings on a griddle. The rings keep the egg round, making it a perfect fit for the English muffin. The eggs are cooked on medium heat, and steam is used to speed up cooking and make it even. This method creates a tender, fully cooked egg with a soft yolk that's not too runny or overdone. The process is fast, consistent, and designed to handle high customer demand. The round shape of the egg is not just for looks. It makes sure every bite of the sandwich has the right mix of egg, cheese, and bacon. This attention to detail is one reason why the Egg McMuffin is so popular. After cooking, the eggs are quickly placed on the bottom half of a toasted English muffin. This helps keep the egg warm and flavorful while the sandwich is put together. Next comes the Canadian bacon, an important part of what makes the Egg McMuffin so iconic. Unlike regular bacon, Canadian bacon is leaner and meatier with a smoky, savory taste. It arrives pre-cooked, but is reheated on the griddle to bring out its full flavor and make sure it's warm and juicy when added to the sandwich. This step gives the bacon a rich taste and slightly crispy edges. The bacon is then carefully placed on top of the egg, making sure every bite is balanced and satisfying. Next is the cheese, an important part that brings the sandwich together. McDonald's uses a slice of American cheese because it's creamy and melts easily. When added while the sandwich is still warm, the cheese softens, covering the other ingredients in a smooth layer. The cheese not only adds flavor, but also helps hold everything together, giving the sandwich a rich, creamy touch. The choice of American cheese is intentional because its mild, buttery taste complements the egg and bacon without overpowering them. To keep the same quality everywhere, McDonald's pre-measures each slice of Canadian bacon and cheese. This ensures that no matter where you order an Egg McMuffin, it tastes the same. This attention to detail shows McDonald's commitment to providing a high-quality, consistent product that customers can rely on. By layering the Canadian bacon and cheese on the egg, McDonald's creates a perfect balance of flavors and textures. The salty bacon, creamy cheese, and fluffy egg combine to make a taste that's just right. Each ingredient is carefully chosen and placed to give the Egg McMuffin its unique flavor, making it one of the most popular breakfast choices around the world. No sandwich is complete without the bread, and for the Egg McMuffin, the English muffin is an important part. McDonald's English muffins are made to perfectly match the sandwich, with just the right mix of softness and sturdiness. This texture is created with a special blend of ingredients, making them great for holding the egg, bacon, and cheese. They are lightly sweetened, adding a mild flavor that goes well with the savory ingredients. Before the sandwich is made, the muffins are toasted to make sure they're warm, crisp, and ready to complete the meal. Toasting is an important step in making the Egg McMuffin. Each English muffin is heated on a griddle or in a toaster until golden brown. This not only warms the bread, but also brings out its natural flavors, adding a slight caramelization that enhances its mild sweetness. The outside becomes crispy, which contrasts nicely with the soft egg and melted cheese inside. This balance of textures is one reason the Egg McMuffin is so popular. After toasting, a little butter is spread on the inside of each muffin. This adds flavor and helps keep the muffin soft and moist, preventing it from drying out. The butter also adds a rich taste that boosts the overall flavor of the sandwich. It's a small but important detail that makes every bite just as satisfying as the first. The toasted and buttered English muffin forms the top and bottom of the sandwich, holding the egg, bacon, and cheese together. This makes the Egg McMuffin easy to eat and perfect for breakfast on the go. The muffin provides a sturdy base without overpowering the other ingredients. Its slight sweetness and crispy outside complement the savory fillings, creating a balanced taste in every bite. This attention to detail makes the English muffin a key part of the Egg McMuffin, enhancing the flavor and texture without taking over. From the fresh eggs and smoky bacon to the perfectly toasted muffin, every part of the Egg McMuffin is carefully chosen and made to provide a great breakfast. McDonald's commitment to quality and consistency has made this sandwich a favorite breakfast choice for millions of people around the world. Now that you've got the inside scoop on the Egg McMuffin, we've got to ask, do you prefer the Egg McMuffin or another fast food breakfast sandwich? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty breakdowns. See you next time.